In this video we're going to introduce our separating techniques unit. Now separating techniques are used to separate mixtures. So in this video we're going to quickly look at how we can identify whether a substance is a pure substance or whether it is a mixture. First off, we'll quickly define pure and mixture, just in case we need to. A pure substance is made of only one substance, whereas a mixture is made of a combination, more than one substance, combination of substances. And it's important to say that are not chemically joined. That are not chemically joined. For example, it's perfectly possible to have pure water, even though water is made of hydrogen and oxygen, because the hydrogen and oxygen are chemically joined. So we can have pure water when it's just water molecules and nothing else. Look at the following melting ranges and tick the box to show whether the substance is likely to be a mixture or a pure substance. Okay, so with pure substances, they have very defined melting points and boiling points. Okay, they're very sharp, so very close to a certain temperature. With mixtures, they'll start melting at a lower temperature and finish melting at a temperature a bit higher. So depending on where something starts melting or finishes melting, or starts boiling and finishes melting, finishes boiling, we can decide whether the substance is pure or a mixture. So this one starts melting at 99, here, starts melting at 99.1 degrees and finishes at 100.4 degrees. So that's a range. It starts at 99 and finishes about 100.5. So that's a mixture. Whereas this one here starts melting at 0, finishes at 0.1, whereas 0 point is extremely close to 0. Okay, so we could say that's basically a pure substance. This next one, 1532.2, 1532.4, again, very close. Okay, so pure. Minus 186.2, minus 183.8. Okay, there's a range there, about 3 degrees apart, so that's a mixture. Okay, we have this graph here now, looking at melting points. We've got two substances, A and B. One is a pure substance, one is a mixture, or which is which. Okay, well, as time goes by, we continually heat both of them, and you can see the temperature of them both rising. Now at this point here, okay, they're melting. A and B are both melting, and the energy we're using to heat those substances, the particles, are using that heat energy to break away from the forces of attraction holding them to their nearest neighbours. Okay, now in A here, the temperature goes exactly flat. Okay, now that is melting of a pure substance. Whereas in B, sorry, that was B, wasn't it? Whereas in, this is A, the lighter one is A. In A, the temperature flattens off, but never goes totally flat. Okay, and this is the mixture melting. So this is melting at a range. Starts melting at a lower temperature, finishes melting at a higher temperature. Whereas in B, the melting point, the temperature never changes. So A here is the mixture and B is the pure substance. So pure substance we said was B and the mixture is A. And that's really what we need to know about the how to identify the difference between a mixture and a pure substance.